to eat you. Oh no, please don't eat me. I'm too little. Wait till my brother, Big Billy Goat. He's much bigger than I am.
Billy Goat Gruff trip-trapped across the bridge.
Trip-trap, trip-trap, trip-trap.
And went to the hillside to join the cow, the horse, the pig, and the cat to eat the green, green grass. In a little while, as the sun was still shining and the white clouds flew across the sky, along came Big Billy Goat Gruff. Trip-trap, 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 went his feet on the bridge.
Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? It is I, Big Billy Goat. I'm going to the hillside to eat the green, green grass and make myself fat. And then I'm going to eat you! Oh no, please don't eat me. Give me my brother, Big Billy Goat. He's much bigger than I am.